Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, when you address your children, make sure that you use loving words. They begin to believe the words that you use for them or when addressing them. If you were to call them bad words, whatever those bad words are, they begin to believe those words and they do develop a mental problem at times. Psychological, emotional, so much damage. And it sometimes is traced back to simple words that you used on your own loved ones that were derogatory, low, cheap words. Please don't do that. Use words of love and respect, even when correcting them. You can correct them, you can actually reprimand them, but using respectful terms. Now, we do have people who have a habit of using the cheapest and the worst of words. You call your child with names of animals. You call your child saying that they're stupid, idiot, thick, whatever else it may be. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us from those who are conscious of this. It definitely causes damage in the long term. They definitely develop a complex that is very, very dangerous. So I thought I'd just pause for a moment to say, if you really fear Allah, and if you are really concerned about the day you're going to be meeting with Allah, then address people with respect, even when you disagree with them completely. Especially your children, when reprimanding them, when correcting them, when telling them something, when guiding them, teaching them, remember to use the best words and the most respectful words, because I promise you, Allah is going to ask you about this and you won't have a reply. Then, when your children struggle and suffer, remember the evil of that will come back to haunt you, because you were so careless. When you had these children, they belong to Allah. Did you know that children do not belong to us? We temporarily can call them ours, but the actual ownership is Allah's. And this is manifest when we say, Inna lillah wa inna ilayhi raji'un. We belong to Allah and unto Him we shall all return. So Allah has given you the temporary custodianship or guardianship of this child, and He will take the child at any time, or He will separate you at any time. And you're responsible. Allah will question you and ask you. So you cannot just do or say what you want with your own child, but rather remember it is the creature of Allah, belonging to Allah. Make sure that you have used the best and most respectful words. I thought I'd spend a moment because too many children are complaining of problems. The mothers are losing their cools. The fathers are actually using derogatory terms. They're being abused verbally and even otherwise. This type of abuse is unacceptable. And remember, it's your duty. You're going to be asked about it. So let's be more responsible and let's be true Muslims. May Allah bless us all and make us more conscious of this. May we seek forgiveness from our own children and make amends before it is too late. And also may we use beautiful, loving, kind, respectful words when addressing our children. We will empower them in the right direction. Barakallah feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.